everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. Today I will be sharing with you a very simple design. It's called my quick mini album, okay? And I put this together live on my Facebook group, Mini Album Artists. And if you're a customer, go ahead and click the join button. You can hang out with all my friends and share your awesome projects that you've created using my tutorials. How awesome is that? This is a travel theme. I used Go See, Explore by Lori Whitlock. Okay, Echo Park paper collection. Look at this, 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet, 3 by 4 cut aparts, 4 by 6 landscape cut aparts. You got a border strip page. Unbelievable. I absolutely love it. Right here on the front cover, I created my own little Polaroid picture, popped up some of these stickers. I added some cotton twine from the Dollar Tree. This was one of the stickers. And these are cute little, I mean, look at that element. I love this map paper in the back. I used this awesome ribbon right here. The paper was kind of bland, so I couldn't help myself. I had to add a little bit of a chalk marker situation right there. And then I just tied a simple knot. So right here on the front inside cover, we've got this awesome little twist tie closure right there with the brad, popped up the earth. Don't you just love that? I love the Eiffel Tower. I do have a ribbon pull tab right here. Isn't that cute? 4 by 6 photos can go right on top of there. Got a cute little car sticker, a little banner sticker. I like to mix words with images, so it has a very nice cohesive look to it. And I teach you how to do that in a live tutorial. And also I talk about my style of decorating. More stickers. Okay, 2 simple pages. If you've never made a mini album before, this is one you can make. The tutorial for this base construction, I'll leave down below as a link. Okay, it's in my shop. It's called Quick Mini Album. Okay, look at this. How simple. And we have like these little awesome tags that come out. Family. Look how cute that is. I hope you enjoyed this quick little project share. I cannot wait to meet you. Come join the group, Mini Album Artists, on Facebook. I'll leave the link down below to my website. I have 44 different tutorials to choose from. Again, this one's called the Quick Mini Album if you wanted to search that up. And again, this craft anyone can do. Don't let it intimidate you, okay? That's the beauty of these books. You learn the techniques and you start putting it together and you will absolutely surprise yourself. Thank you everyone so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.